right, welcome back to the channel. I just added an additional tool to the shop. I noticed a lot of projects that I was doing. I needed a planer and I didn't have one. So I chose the WEN thickness planer. I chose this one because it has the spiral cutter head. And all the other ones had the straight knife cutter head that you would have to replace it if you wanted the spiral cutter head. I spoke with my brother. He said the spiral cutter head was the way to go. So I purchased the WEN. It was reasonably priced. It's fairly heavy. I had to lift it up here, but I was able to get it up on the bench, and I already started unboxing. So let's take a look. Packaged really well. Here's the instructions. It was packaged in styrofoam. The top is metal, and yep, the sides are all metal as well. I'm really excited about the way this looks, the quality of it. So I'll finish getting it out of the box here. Okay, so I got everything all unpackaged. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the depth adjustment handle on. Looks like it goes just like this. And they even give you the little Allen wrench here, which is nice. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise the cutter head. It raises nicely, and I'm going to take out the extra styrofoam that was in there. And you can see here from the back, you can see the spiral head right there. It's get a little closer up view with cutting blades on it. Okay, I've turned it around here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the dust collection chute here. It's got a 4-inch and a 2.5-inch, I think, output, and I'm going to place it right in there, easy. And then there's 2 knobs here. You just screw them on. Just screw them on there, and the dust collection chute is in place. Now the instructions say to put a light coat of wax on the main table and on the in-feed out-feed tables. So I'm going to go ahead and do that next. And it's got some nice tools here that go with it. The T-handle to tighten or loosen anything there. It's got some really nice rollers on the top, so if you playing something and you want to pull it back over to run it through again, you can roll it across the top. It's very nice heavy duty cord. Next thing I guess I need to do is go ahead and give her a test. The WEN thickness planer worked great. I planed that cutting board on it, no snipe at all. The tables adjust well. If you do get some snipe, you just make an adjustment on the in-feed and out-feed table. Make sure the workpiece is well supported, and it works real great. So small shop like mine works great. All right, I'll be on to my next project shortly. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. God bless.